Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope to help you understand the cultural differences, break down information barriers, and give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijingers. Today, I'm going to a very popular restaurant in Beijing. I think it's the most popular restaurant in Beijing right now, to eating Peking duck. I've previously made a video about eating Peking duck, where I went to a restaurant that I've been visiting since I was a child. It's a place with good value for money, and locals often go there. And today's restaurant is the one that has suddenly risen to fame in the past 4 or 5 years. When it comes to Peking duck, you might heard of 全聚德, but it's so expensive and the decoration is so lavish, I don't even dare to go there. Today's restaurant is 四季民福, has moderate prices, and is very much in line with Beijing's characteristics, so it's loved by many. To be honest, this is also my first time to go there. I've only heard some other people say it's pretty much, so I decided to give it a try. I think one of the perks of being a YouTuber is that besides sharing what I eat and do in Beijing, it also makes me attuned to the new and popular things in Beijing. By filming and experiencing things firsthand with all of you, it also makes my life richer and more colorful, and I really enjoy this now. The only issue about these famous places in Beijing is that they always require a long wait. During peak tourist seasons, you might have to wait 5 or 4 hours to eat the meal. And today I got a number in advance online, and it says there are 20 tables ahead of me, so I've already been waiting for half an hour. This restaurant has many branches. The one I'm going to today is located in the 3rd Ring Road in the east, the CBD area of Beijing. They also have locations in Wangfujing, Qianmen, and the one near the Forbidden City, where you can see the architecture of the Forbidden City. So you can imagine that location is even more popular. Okay, my telephone shows that it's almost my turn, so let's go to try together the taste of the most popular Peking duck restaurant in all of Beijing. Let's go. So hungry. Peking China. Let's go. See, 233 tables to wait in total. Free drinks and snacks. If it's not my turn soon, I'm going to fill up on snacks. Look, these are raw ducks, not roasted yet. One of the great things about this restaurant is that you can watch how the roasted duck is made. The duck used for Peking duck is a specially bred meat duck, known for its tender and juicy texture. Look, this is called a Han oven roasted duck, which is roasted over an open flame using fruitwood. The ducks are hung inside the oven and roasted for about 40 to 50 minutes. This method results in crispy skin, tender meat, and a subtle fruitwood aroma. Oh my god, my mouth is watering now. Finally, our turn. We've been waiting for 2 hours. Finally, we can eat now. Menu. Oh, I forgot I had a microphone, so I was laughing too loudly while chatting with my friend. This is also called 栀子烤肉, originated during the Qing dynasty and was initially brought to Beijing by the Manchu and the Mongol peoples as a unique style of barbecue. Like all fried foods, any deep fried tastes delicious. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. Very crispy. Now let me taste 栀子烤肉. This beef. The key to this dish is that the meat must be hand sliced into thin leaf-shaped pieces, as thin as paper, ensuring it cooks quickly and locks in the juices. Very tender. Wow, wow, wow! Our Peking duck is here. Let us admire the chef's knife skills. You know what? The process of slicing the Peking duck itself is a kind of ritual, reflecting the delicacy and the attention to detail of Chinese culinary culture. A standard Peking duck can usually be sliced into around 80 pieces, typically served with 1 plate of skin, 1 plate of meat, and 1 plate of meat with skin. Look at the color of this Peking duck. It's truly tempting. Oh, my mouth is watering again. In terms of the delicacy of the Peking duck, this restaurant beats the one I ate at before. The duck leg can be eaten on its own. First, eat the most exquisite part, the duck breast skin, and dip it in white sugar. Sweet and crispy. I'm at a loss for words. Let's make a Peking duck wrap. Wow. Wow. To make a Peking duck wrap, you stack with meat, dip it in sweet bean sauce, and add cucumber and green onions.
Since I don't eat green onions, I'll just add cold cucumber. Roll to the left, roll to the right, and finally, roll upwards to seal the bottom. Dun dun! One Peking duck wrap is ready. Then one big bite. Now I have something to announce. The Peking duck at this restaurant is better than the one I had filmed before. The ambience is also great, and you can watch the duck being roasted. Now I finally understand why this restaurant is the most popular in Beijing. Yeah, I'm definitely recommending it now. The taste of these pig's trotters is very unique. I haven't tasted anything like it elsewhere.
Oh, so spicy.
好了，胡辣虾，食物是先将这个取根牙签，取根那个签子，对。
This dish is very unique, so the waiter is teaching us how to eat it.
在火上炙烤3到5秒哈。
Of course, the duck heart is already cooked, but grilling it for 3 to 5 seconds on the fire enhances the flavor.
好嘞，谢谢。
The name of this dish is very fitting: fire roasted duck heart. It's very tender, and the parts grilled over the fire have a slightly crispy, charred texture.
Oh, 好吃吗? Okay, I'm going to enjoy this meal, enjoy Peking duck with my friends. So that's all for today's video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.